wake you up.
What are you doing?
Just trying to get this old body to the bathroom and pay the toll.
Oh, you must really be in pain.
Ah, nah, it's nothing. Whoa! Slap me silly and shave me naked.
Here, let me help you up.
Okay, I'm coming. I'll be right there.
What's so funny?
Well, when you were a little boy, I used to take you to the bathroom in the middle of the night so you wouldn't wet the bed, and now it seems like you're doing the same thing for me.
Yeah, well, I don't remember anything back then.
I do. The only way you'd go back to sleep is if you heard your favorite song. You don't tug on Superman's cape. You don't spit into the...
Yeah, Mom used to sing that to me.
Luke, your mom was a lovely woman, but she couldn't carry a tune in the bucket. Don't you remember? You were terrified of all those monsters in the closet. You don't pull the mask off the old Lone Ranger, and you don't mess around with
Luke. It was you.
You loved it. Made you think you were bigger and stronger than any of those monsters.
You really did that.
Yeah, sure.
Look. Mike told me what's going on with your back.
Oh, that boy's tongue is loose at both ends.
You know, George, you're going to have to make a decision here.
I've made one. I'm not going to quit trucking. And I don't want to talk about it.
So you're just going to pretend like it doesn't exist? You know, that's typical. Just like everything that's ever went on the past 13 years never happened. I want to talk about it, George. I mean, you come here after all this time and you say what's past is past. Let's jump into a truck and watch the fireflies.
What I was trying to...
You send me postcard after postcard about the world's biggest prairie chicken. What about the postcard that says, I'm sorry I ruined your life?
Luke.
You know, you run from doctors the way you run from everything, including your own son. What was wrong with me?
What was wrong with you?
Yeah. What was it, George? Why can't you just tell me?
I can't talk to you when you're like this.
And you haven't changed. I don't think you ever will.
Luke. I'm not very good at this kind of talk. But if it's what it takes, I'll keep trying all night. But first, you've got to get me to the bathroom.